Get noticed in this 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes 4-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.